groundwork for your emergency care expertise with the Washington Manual of Emergency Medicine, your essential reference guide. Crafted by experts at Washington University School of Medicine, this edition offers a comprehensive yet concise approach to handling real-life emergency situations. Stay updated with recent knowledge and references across all chapters, from COVID-19 updates to the latest guidelines on bleeding protocols and acute pancreatitis. It also covers critical topics like monkeypox, acute on chronic liver failure, and new scoring systems like the PLASMIC score for TTP, ensuring you're equipped for any emergency. We'll focus on common emergency conditions in Asia like snake bites, dengue fever, and organophosphate poisoning, make it an indispensable resource in the region. Written in clear, easy-to-digest language is designed for quick access during high-pressure moments in the ER, making it perfect for med students and healthcare professionals alike. For medical students and professionals alike, this manual ensures you're always ready to handle any emergency with confidence. First-year medical students lay the groundwork for your emergency care expertise with the Washington Manual of Emergency Medicine, your essential reference guide.